Hi there, welcome to my week 7 video presentation where I'm going to be using elements of children's literature to teach math concepts. This week I'm going to be teaching the addition and subtraction of fractions. I liked the book The Wishing Club by Donna Jo Napoli about a group of kids who wish on a star and they only get a fraction of their wish. So the kids group together to add their wishes together so then they can try to get one whole wish. It's a very cute story. Unfortunately, I don't have it, but I feel like that this book would be a great starting point for the lesson that I've chosen. This lesson plan is going to have the kids create their own story where the characters are going to be adding and subtracting fractions, adding or subtracting fractions actually. And an example of the kind of story that the kids could write can be found in my enclosed document, Alice in Fractionland. This is a story that I wrote myself, and it kind of gives an idea of what I would be expecting of my students. The project itself is going to be a big one where the students will be expected to take a couple of weeks to complete, and the students will be working in pairs. But once the assignment is completed, it will be a fully fledged story with illustrations and everything that the students will present to their classmates. And while the students are presenting the story, they'll be working out the problems on the board for their classmates to see. During the drafting process, the students will be required to show me what fractions they'll be using in their stories and what addition or subtraction problems they'll be doing. That way we can ensure that they have the correct process in mind for adding or subtracting these fractions and that they come to the correct answers. Because it would not be fun if they're presenting to the class and they end up getting the wrong answers or they use the wrong process. So that is something that we inspect during the drafting phase. Not only does this satisfy a Common Core state standard, but it also satisfies an English language arts standard where the students are required to create original stories. So I felt this would be a fun crossover lesson for the students, a good project for them to complete.